Hi there, I'm Stacy Reed with a roundup of some of the best April Fool's Day pranks found on the web this year of 2009. The folks at British press The Guardian announced that after 188 years of ink, the newspaper would only be available on the messaging service Twitter. The article went on to say that a mammoth project is also underway to rewrite the entire newspaper's archive in the form of tweets. As an example that it could be done using 140 characters or less, they Twitterized Martin Luther King's legendary 1963 speech, as well as other stories from the archives, which are really good for a chuckle. And if you're a YouTube fan, you may have run across this prank, in which by adding a few characters to any video URL, you can turn the entire web page upside down. If you want to try it out for yourself, just add the and sign, flip equals 1. That'll activate it and you can send it to your friends for a good laugh. Are you looking for a new career path? Well, over at myswitzerland.com, a tourism and travel info site, you can take an aptitude test to see if you have what it takes to make a good mountain cleaner. That's right, this site claims to have a team of mountain cleaners whose sole purpose is to clean bird droppings from the beautiful Swiss Alps so that tourists can have a perfect vacation. And not to be outdone, Google announces Caddy, an acronym for Cognitive Autoheuristic Distributed Intelligence Entity. This service reportedly offers automated responses to your incoming email and even goes as far as to let the user calibrate their preferred punctuation, typo, and emoticon use settings. Some of the examples they've provided are hilarious to read. And lastly, this hoax is just too bizarre to believe. The travel gurus at Expedia.com thought it would be funny to post a trip to Mars under their daily deals and offers for only $99, a savings of over $3 trillion. There's no interplanetary booking fees, and you can even select your spacecraft, which will take you around the moon and through a wormhole before you reach your destination on the Red Planet. There you can see the grandest of Grand Canyons and maybe even do a little dust surfing too. So there you have some of the best April Fool's hoaxes on the internet this year. This is Stacy Reed for Butterscotch signing out. Bye for now.